Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zindlondlo, ziyakhala manje sifikile, siyakufuna wena Mathambo. Bona, THO, well done. Re lwele. Ho setse ka wena Mathambo hore dilo tse o di dirang, you have to stop. Never, this time we hatile mo moseleng. Re ka se o tlohele o thanisha lebitso la bongaka. Go ka thoma pele wa thwasa ke mo tla itse mothetho wa shoba. Never, with THO, never. Amandla THO, amandla. Ha ro tshosa ke le kengana rena le sa thwasang lo thwasa le tsama le tella dingaka. Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zindlondlo. Uyazi yini, what a wonderful day. Sisebenzile indaba yethu. Thokozani manene namanenekazi. Mazishe. Uyasho umthakathi.
So you guys, that was the most recent protest whereby Sangomas united and protested in Johannesburg. I think it was at the Mojalove offices where they wanted to stop Mojalove and fake Gobela host Gogo Mathambo to stop broadcasting that show called Fake Gobela because they felt like Sangomas were being disrespected and the name of Owungoma was being dragged under the mud. So Gogo Makepula is heard in the background saying that Mojalove is not right because they are busy tarnishing the names of Sangoma on their show called Fake Gobela. Fake Gobela claimed that it helped Amatosana in exposing their Gobelas who did them wrong, you guys. Now, unfortunately, yesterday, news that Fake Gobela host Gogo Mathambo has passed away was reported. Mojalove issued a statement confirming his unfortunate passing, stating that he had passed away after a short illness, you guys. Condolences to his family and his loved ones, you guys. May his precious soul rest in peace. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe or follow the page if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.